Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to link your Amazon Prime Visa to PayPal. If you're tired of juggling multiple payment methods or just want to streamline your online shopping, this is the video for you. It's quick, easy, and can save you time in the long run. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an active Amazon Prime Visa card. That's the one that gives you rewards on purchases, and a PayPal account that's already set up. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted out. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or open the app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu or under your profile. This is where all your linked bank accounts and cards live. Step 2. In the wallet, click on Link a Card or Add a New Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Now, grab your Amazon Prime Visa. Type in the card number, the expiration date, and the security code on the back. Don't forget to add your name as it appears on the card. Step 3. After entering the details, PayPal might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a small test transaction or confirming via your bank's app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. It usually only takes a minute or two. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not being accepted, double-check that your Amazon Prime Visa is in good standing and that you're entering the details correctly. Sometimes, there might be restrictions based on your location or account status, so reach out to PayPal or Amazon support if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Amazon Prime Visa to PayPal. Now, you can use it for seamless payments on sites that accept PayPal, and keep earning those sweet rewards. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.